Hi everyone. This video is going to demonstrate how to use the Mercury Reader extension. The purpose of the Mercury Reader extension is to remove all of the extras from a website so that the user is only left with the appropriate article text. This feature is very helpful in removing those pop-up ads and videos that can be very distracting while trying to focus on the article that you are trying to read. First, let's take a look at how to install this extension. This extension can be found at the Chrome Web Store. So you would go to chrome.google.com and in the Search the Store box, you would type in Mercury Reader. You would click on the Mercury Reader icon, and here mine says remove from Chrome because I've already added it. But if you are new to adding this extension, this would say Add to Chrome. So you would just click on Add to Chrome and you would follow the steps to have the Mercury Reader extension added. Once the extension is added, you need to come to your extensions puzzle piece and you just need to scroll to Mercury Reader and pin it. So when you first install it, the Mercury Reader will install under your extensions and the push pin will be white. If you want the extension to be available on your toolbar, you just click the pin and it will now move it to the top of my extension bar. You do have the option to drag and drop and move the icon wherever you would like it to go. Okay, so now that it's installed, we're going to take a look at how you can use this tool. So I'm going to close out my Chrome Web Store and I'm going to come to this website. This history.com website is about William Shakespeare. And as you can see, it has a bunch of ads. So I have a pop-up ad here. As I scroll down, I have another ad here. I have another video ad here. So I have a couple of different ads that are showing up all over the place on here. So what you can do is you come up to your Mercury Reader icon and you click on it. And what it's going to do is it's going to remove all of those ads and dead space. You have a couple of settings. If you click on the gear icon, you can adjust the text size to small, medium, and large. You have two font styles, and you have two themes. If you need to have the text read aloud, you can click on your Read and Write for Google Chrome icon, and the toolbar will open up. In this program, you need to use the Screenshot Reader, which is part of the premium license of Read and Write for Google Chrome, in order to access the text. So you would click on the Screenshot Reader icon and you get your plus sign. You then would draw a box around your text and it will OCR convert it and pull out the text and read it aloud. Now, because this is internet-based, depending on your internet connection and depending on how much text you pull up, it might take a few extra minutes to do this. Within your Screenshot Reader box, you have your play, your pause, and your stop buttons. 1564 1616 has had more theatrical. So you can listen to it, you can pause it, you can stop, you can start again. When you are done listening to it, you click on the X, and then you can move to another section and do your Screenshot Reader box over that.
William Shakespeare was born in Stratford-upon-Avon.
When you are done using the Mercury Reader, you just come up to the Mercury Reader icon and click on it, and it will bring you back to your original website. I hope you found this video tutorial helpful. Thank you.